Now I like to welcome from the position the first debater, Mili Sultana. Please come and deliver your speech.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can change the whole world, stated by Nelson Mandela. And online is the topmost medium to make this easier and affordable. However, I am glad for having the chance to say something about the topic. And the topic is online is the topmost medium of education. I have my respectable greetings and salam to all the moderators, judges and teachers present here. Assalamu alaikum. And love to all the debaters. As the first debater, I am Mili Sultana. I am starting my speech. Today, I am going to make clear what is online learning, what is the benefits of online learning, and explore of online learning. First of all, what is online learning? Online learning is education that takes place over internet. It is referred as e-learning among other terms. What is the benefits of online learning? We can pick the program of our dream in an academic education too, but it would involve traveling away from home, living in a completely unknown city, struggling in an extremely competitive learning environment. Forget attending classes for hours struggling with traffic jam. We will not be bounded to physical class session when we choose for online education. All the lectures are provided via online platform, so you can easily access them from comfort of our home. We won't have to spend money for the car. We won't have to get up early to get dressed for the classes. Now I'm going to explore online learning. Education is a combination of 4 things. That is reading, writing, practical and creativity. And online is the gathering of 3 things. That is reading, practical and creativity. So it is a good source of education. All the informations are gotten online should be searched. Internet or online is the addition of unlimited knowledge. But textbooks are the addition of limited knowledge. So isn't it helpful for us? Opponent, what do you think about online? I am challenging you that all the informations you have gathered for this debate and all the lectures you will utter today, that's all are from online. Do you know how online class gives a person knowledge about technology? Online class gives a person knowledge about technology. If you want to do online class, you have to make an online environment and specific software. On the term of doing this, some technological knowledge can be gained by the person who never touched a phone or a computer. Without online class, gaining academic knowledge is impossible. If you want an academic knowledge by attending in class, it is just like suicide in this pandemic situation of the earth due to COVID-19. For this reason, government made the decision to close all the academic institutions. Among judges, there are many online platforms like 10 Minute School, Amadi School, Intern Shala, Onnorakom Pathshala, Rapto, Khan Academy, Udemy, Lynda, Coursera, Pluralsight, etc. are the most popular online platforms. Millions and millions of students are learning from these online platforms. So dear opponent, my question to you that by realizing the existence of these online platforms, of millions of online platforms of all over the world, then why can't you agree with us that online is the topmost medium of education? Why, my dear opponent, why? Online class can make education affordable. Due to much tuition fees, many students cannot afford English version education and higher studies from abroad. If the culture of online class starts in everywhere, then every student will be able to afford education in a reasonable price, in school, college, university as the like, and the price will be very much affordable. As everybody know that Bangladesh is a medium earning country, so there are all type of employees here who have a salary from 5,000 to 70,000. The person whose salary is 70,000, their children can have a qualified education, and the person whose salary is 5,000, can their children have a qualified education? Obviously, the answer is no, but it can be possible throughout online classes, as the price is very much affordable. And the judges, in this year, total only 276 students of 48 countries have got the chance in Math Olympiad. Among them, 6 students are from Bangladesh, have got the chance in Math Olympiad through online classes. From them, 3 boys are the silver winners and 3 boys are the bronze medalists. The silver winners are Tahmed Mosaddeq of Notre Dame College, scored 84.25. Fardi Monir of Sir John Wilson, scored 83.25. And AKM Sadman Mahmoud Abid of Pabna School, scored 81.7%. And the bronze medalists are Ahmed Nafis Farhan of Nasirabad Government High School of Chittagong, scored 69.35%. Nihal Juhair Porosh Miyaji of Kumila Jilai School scored 67.8%. And last but not the least, Miraj Ahmed Sadi of BF Shan School scored 67.65%. After watching the achievements of the 6 boys, many more students will be inspired and realize the importance of such an opportunity. Can you give the guarantee they won't apply for such an opportunity? Can you give the surety they won't get chance? No, you can't. We know exception is not an example, but this situation is not exception. Online gives us main opportunity to achieve succeed in life. Then how can you say that online is not the topmost medium of education? Can you imagine where will be the education of Bangladesh for these online classes? Just think about it. Hope you'll understand. And have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Mili Sultana.